It's oversaturated. Hundreds of meme coins launch every minute here, making it nearly impossible for buyers to find your coin. What's the move? Launch on Raydium instead. It's way less crowded, with only 8 meme coins launching every 15 minutes. That gives you a much higher chance of getting noticed and securing those early buyers. Here's where it gets interesting though. Usually you need a code or develop to launch on Radium, but not anymore. I use coinray.fun over here, and it simplifies the whole process. Let me show you how it actually works. So what we're gonna do to make the most amount of money as quick as we can is press copy trending coins. If you copy these trending coins right here, these are coins that are already going viral or already king of the hill on Pump.Fun. And if they're already king of the hill on Pump.Fun, that means that other people will buy in here because they will think it's a duplicate, and they'll think it's this coin when in fact it's actually just a duplicate and buy into your coin. What we're going to do is we're going to press create coin here, and you're going to want to press proceed anyway, confirm, and I understand. I would recommend copying the king of the hill because that's what will probably get you most sales. So you just want to wait here a little bit and it should load. So now that you have this, you want to press this copy button here and you want to press create liquidity pool. All right, right here you want to press 90%, and then you want to put 0.3 here. So now once you're here on creating the radium pool, what you want to do is put 90% here and then put 0.3 is what I would recommend on the amount token B. This is the sole reserve for radium fees right here. Make sure you put 0.3 and press create pool. Now once you create pool, this is going to pop up over here, and once this does, you want to press confirm. When you press confirm, you just need to wait a little bit here, around 5 minutes or so, and then just keep clicking refresh and it should eventually pop up. So as you guys can see here, this is our coin Spectrus AI. We're at $1,241 already in market cap. A few big whales did invest here. As you guys can see, I'm gonna leave it for about another, I would say like 3 minutes or so, and then we're gonna pull this out because obviously I don't want to lose $1,200, but it could also go up. Let's just wait around 3 minutes and then let's see if this actually does go up or not, and if it does, we will pull this money. Didn't end up moving much, so now we're just gonna sell right here. If you go here, press 100% and press remove liquidity. There we go. And now we should have all of our SOL back here, plus more. Just gotta enter in your password, confirm, and then boom. There we go. You just have to wait for this, and then liquidity should be removed. And there you go. Check your SOL balance now. And there we go. We're back at 7 SOL, all because we copied this little coin, bro. That was literally nothing. And it's honestly just insane how easy that was.